Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Audi A6 headlight washer system. To begin, make sure your vehicle's ignition is on and your low beam headlights are illuminated. Then, simply pull the windshield washer stalk towards you and hold it for at least 1 second. The system is designed to activate automatically after you've performed several windshield cleaning cycles, ensuring your headlights stay clear and bright for optimal visibility. The Audi A6 headlight washer system works by extending small, high-pressure nozzles from your front bumper. These nozzles spray a powerful jet of cleaning fluid directly onto your headlight lenses, effectively removing dirt and grime. This system often shares the same fluid reservoir as your windshield washers, or it might have its own. Typically, the headlight washers engage every 5 to 10 times you clean your windshield, keeping your lights clear. To ensure your headlight washers always perform optimally, regular maintenance is key. Make sure to frequently check and refill your washer fluid reservoir. Using a high-quality washer fluid is crucial, particularly in colder climates, to prevent freezing and ensure effective cleaning. Also, periodically inspect the nozzle areas on your bumper and clear away any debris or ice that could cause blockages. Utilizing your Audi A6's headlight washer system offers several important benefits. Primarily, it significantly improves your visibility and overall safety when driving in challenging conditions like rain, snow, or mud. By keeping your headlight lenses clean, the system ensures your advanced headlights maintain their optimal light output. This also helps to extend the lifespan of your headlight lenses, protecting your investment and enhancing your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.